So I'm a proud owner of a sewing machine. Yeah, this is my baby. As you guys can see. How did you see? So I finally got the sewing machine. It's a two-lion sewing machine. And it's mine. Tight. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing video for you guys to see what actually looks like. But this is my sewing machine. So guys, come with me as I take you through the process of getting this fabulous sewing machine. Hi guys, so this is me just preparing to go to work. This is in the morning after getting ready to go to work because I know today is going to be a long day because I'm getting my sewing machine. But I have to step out to work first of all before coming back and then preparing to go. So guys, I'm super excited. I'm actually on my way to the market back now to get my sewing machine. I don't know how it's going to look like. I don't even know what today's happening. I can see I actually said that you looked good. I had a yellow. So I'm not need to be on game now. Now look at. Mm. Mm. Mhm. So this is me already in the car on my way to Kano State and the main town because I'm already in Kano State, but I'm going from Motil to Kano. As you can see, there are lots of vegetations, there are lots of trees, there are lots of farms along the way. And it actually takes like 45 minutes to get to Kano town because of the drop and stop because a whole lot of people they have to carry passengers and drop them along the roadside and carry new passengers to replace the old ones. So that's how it is. And eventually better if you want to get to Kano to go with a personal ride or you order a Uber or you order a cab just for you. Otherwise you spend up to 45 minutes. So this is me already in the shop that actually finally got the material or got the sewing machine. God, I was almost so frustrated. So this is the shop. This is actually looks like this is like a wholesaler that we actually found. And you've actually priced the sewing machine. And at this point, the man was he has already dismantled the machine. So he's just trying to package it so that I'll be able to take it all the way from Kano back to Wudio because it's actually far and then it will be much more easier to transport it after this and after losing the whole part. He didn't actually lose it, he just make sure that I'll be able to carry it. That is the whole essence of losing it. So they actually went to service the machine. They went to service it. They actually need to service it to know if the engine is working. So they went to services and this is them packaging it back to the package, the carton where they took it out from. So these are the things that helped the machine to I'm just trying to video it and let them not be aware of I'm actually videoing them. And I don't want their faces to show. So that's where I'm videoing these guys. So they are just trying to couple the machine back so that I can take it back with me very, very easy. So the guy actually went to service the machine. I was like complaining, They still have to service it. This is the first time I knew that, oh, they still have to service the machine before I can actually make use of it. So they sent to service it and they're back to couple the machine, and I'll be able to take it back on my journey. You need to see the joy that I had when I'm seeing that, oh, finally, this machine belongs to me. This sewing machine belongs to me. Like, the joy is actually very, very different. What you've actually hoped for, what you actually made sacrifices for, what you actually kept. This is part of my allowance. So, this is on our way back to show you guys how it was actually stressful, because I left with you around 1:30, around thereabouts, and this is me going back, and this is already 7. This is 7 p.m. past 7 p.m. So guys, this is like after 3 days that I brought the machine home. So I'm just losing the rope they used to tie it so that I can see what is actually inside the wrapping of it. I'll be dropping an unboxing video. The next video will be an unboxing video. Bye.